Web 3.0, also known as the decentralized web or the semantic web, is the next generation of the Internet. It is designed to be more intelligent, interconnected, and decentralized, providing a more secure and transparent online experience. Please consider to subscribe to reach 1K subscribers. Some of the key features of Web 3.0 include decentralization. Web 3.0 is built on decentralized technologies like blockchain, which allows for a more peer-to-peer, trustless internet. This means that users can interact and exchange value with each other directly, without the need for intermediaries like banks or social media platforms. Interoperability. Web 3.0 aims to make it easier for different systems and applications to communicate and share data with each other. This is achieved through the use of standardized protocols and APIs, which enable seamless interoperability between different platforms and networks. Semantic web. Web 3.0 is designed to be more intelligent and intuitive, thanks to the use of semantic technologies that allow for better organization and interpretation of data. This enables machines to better understand and interact with the web, leading to more personalized and relevant experiences for users. Privacy and security. Web 3.0 puts a greater emphasis on user privacy and security, by enabling users to have more control over their data and identity. This is achieved through the use of decentralized identity systems and encryption technologies, which provide a more secure and transparent online experience. Overall, Web 3.0 represents a shift towards a more decentralized, user-centric internet that empowers individuals and communities to take control of their online lives. Thanks for watching. Hit like, share and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.